2 into 4 plus 3. Now, if I have to use the distributive property, so this becomes 2 into 4 plus 2 into 3. Now, how to teach this, that why is this becoming this or why is this becoming the opposite? So what we take is, we are taking 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? 7. So I am connecting 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have connected 7 cubes. Now I have to take it 2 times. So I will be taking another one. So I have it made. Right? So these are the 2 7 cube rods I have. So this forms up my left hand side. Now how does this right hand side come in place? If I break these into 4 and 3, 4 and 3, and again I break it into 4 and 3. I have taken 4 2 times. I have taken 3 also 2 times. Now can you count the total number of cubes? It remains the same as it was previously when I was taking 7 2 times. So this is how we distribute and teach them the distributive property.